Hello friends, welcome to Tech Tip Guide. Today I will show you how to replace an image in Canva. So if you are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss an updates from us. First of all, I am here in Canva. Now I'll go to one blank design. I am choosing this one. Okay. I am here in Canva workspace. Now I'll go to elements and I will choose one frame. I will choose this one. Okay. So to insert an image, I will again click on elements and search for beach and hit enter. Over here you can find different beautiful beaches. Now I will drag this one and place it over to frame. So you can see here I have inserted image in my frame. Also we can replace this image by just clicking over here, and here is delete. Click on this delete. And you can see here delete image or delete frame. Click on delete image. Now here you can see image of frame is deleted. Now you can choose different image to insert in this frame. And also we can reposition by double clicking over here and sliding over here and hit enter. In this way we can replace image in Canva. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.